Hello masters, I am Nello and today I'm going to explain you how to transfer Xgen to Blender. So what you need to do is go to your Maya file and go to the Xgen tab here and select all your hair you want to export to Blender. Well, all your descriptions. Okay, when you select it, you need to go to generate and convert to interactive room. You can put here whatever you want and convert. Okay. Once you convert it, it will appear these three files that are the Xgen interactive room. So you need to select it if you want to export those. And now go again to generate, but this time to cache and export cache. Okay, you will need to export on Alembic FC file with this configuration on current frame and this disabled, and you put here the name you want. I have it here because I already did. Export, replace. Okay. Once you export it, you can go now to Blender. Okay. Wait, because I already did this. Okay. Okay, now you need to go to file and import this file you export from Maya. I have it here. Import Alembic. This is important. In my case, I don't know why this happens, but the hair is here on the top of my file. I don't know why, because I'm working with real units here on Maya, but I think it's because of the units of Blender. But don't worry, because there's a solution of it. You need to go here, and in my case it's 0.01, and you will see that it will match your character, the same as Maya. You will do the same with the other parts of your hair. If this happens to you, of course. If it doesn't happen, so you are lucky. Okay, once you have it here, there are several options to convert it to hair here on Blender, but I will start with the option that I don't like, that is converted to geometry. I don't like this option because it generates, as well as the name says, your hair, it converts it to geometry, and if you look here on statistics, you will see that your hair will have a lot of geometry, which will lead to slow your file. So that's not good. You will see here that the hair star is starting to appear, 0.1, but you will see that the amount of polygons increased insanely. So this option I do regret it. The option that I like to use is convert it to curves, because you will have more positive advantages. For doing that, you need to go to Object, Convert, Curves, and now you will have it to curves, and you will see that it's not that high on polygons. Okay, so after doing that, well, do this with the other things of your hair, curves, and this. Wait, I already converted. Well, this is on curves too. Wait, this was the test I did before. Sorry about it. Convert curves. Okay. Once you have it all converted to curves, you will need to go here on render properties, and you will see a button that is curves, say curves here, and you can adjust the subdivision of your curves here on the render mode. You won't see nothing, but here on the viewport, which is good. And this, the shape, you will need to have it on strip. I will say the reason this works better on strip. And once you have this, you can go to geometry nodes if you because if you look closer to the hair, you will see that the hair it has a different radius value. So what you need to do to change this is go to wait to geometry node. Okay, go to geometry node tab and create a new geometry node. Now what you need to do is as simple as adding this node, set curve radius, and now you can adjust the radius of your hair, which is very nice. And as I said before, this works better with strip, because if you stay on strand, you will look that you won't see nothing on the viewport. On strip, you will see it. Okay, so the other positive thing about working on curves instead of working on geometry is that you have the sculpt mode here, which will help you a lot because you can adjust better your hair with those tools here. You can move it, you can smooth it too with here. If it's too noisy, you can smooth the hair. You can grow it. There are a lot of options that will help you a lot. One of those options is that when you export the Xgen to Blender, using modifiers on Maya will cause those kind of things, and you can get rid of by going here on the tool delete, and you will see here you will see that you can delete those strange things that those modifiers make. Yeah, it's a good way to adjust better your hair. And that's all. I think I will do a render to see if it looks great. Well, before doing that, you will need to change the material, because if you notice here on Maya, you have the I standard hair, which is not the same as Blender. So to get similar results, you can go to Shadow Editor. I already create this material. It's called here. Okay. You will need to add a Principal Hair BSDF to the hair, and those are my statistics. I put on with a color ramp to get different color values. And don't use hair BSDF because it's older and it works with it works badly for the realistic physics of the hair. Principal hair is advanced and have similar physics to the reality. Get rid of this. Bye. And that's it. We'll take a render to see how it looks, and it should look well, I think. Yeah. Here. So that's the tutorial. I hope you find it helpful, and I hope you could switch your hair to Blender. You will need to notice that it's not the same as the as Arnold render, because Arnold works with better physics, but you can adjust cycles too, or Eevee to get well, Eevee it's difficult, but you can adjust cycles too to get similar results to Arnold. So that's it. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye.